Yeah, g'day. My name's Henry Bolt. I farm 194 hectares down in Rangitata Island, South Canterbury. Currently I'm supplying Synlait Milk Company, doing a grass-fed premium, and currently on path to do the Lead with Pride program through Synlait. Hence why we've gone forward and approached TracMap to get this technology put on the tractor. We're milking 600 cows on an all-grass system, very efficient with our urea usage, so hopefully definitely going to see some benefits and cost savings out of this product. We've just done about 35 hectares with the TracMap switched off firstly for 2 paddocks, and secondly we had the TracMap on. Interesting to see the difference between the machine on and off. Obviously with uneven and untidy shaped paddocks, the efficiency in the spreading was not very good. Obviously once we switched to TracMap on, the accuracy was great. Definitely see exactly where you're going, and obviously with the rougher paddocks, up and downs and a few humps and hollows, you're slowing down and turning quite often. TracMap allows you to keep that accuracy basically as good as you're going to get. Been spreading my own fert for about 8 years, I'd say, and I suppose you think you're pretty good at what you're doing. Like, I was a bit sceptical at the start, but it definitely does increase your accuracy. Not just overspreading, but also underspreading at times. You're not going to have the striping in the paddocks. And staff management, if you're not there to drive the machine, you know that the job's going to get done well with whoever you put on the machine, and you can check up on accuracy and placement.